Welcome guys, today I'll be teaching you how to design 3D logos using just your phone. So before you pay any graphic designer, watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you the two simple tools I will be using to design this 3D logo. So watch to the end and see how I'll do it. So first of all, I'll go to my Google Chrome. After going to my Google Chrome, I will open ChatGPT from my Google Chrome. So I'll open my ChatGPT. So it's now open. I'll now say, okay, you log into your ChatGPT. So I'm going to log into my ChatGPT now. Okay, I've logged into my ChatGPT. So I'll say, this is what I will do now. You say, you train it for me. For you to get the best result, you train it. You now say, I want to design a 3D logo, comma, can you give me the prompt? Question. Say yes if you can. Say yes if you can. So you type enter and wait for your response. Yes. Look at what. Yes, I can. Do you want me to make 3D logo prompt in a general form so you can reuse it for any brand, or should I tailor it to specific business for you? So you say, I have a specific business. So now you explain what you do. If you're a fashion designer, if you're a food vendor, if you are a social media expert, whatever you do, explain it. So I'm going to use fashion. So I am a fashion designer and also sells clothes. Good, but I don't have any proof of the best logo. So after typing this, you now say, give me, or you say brainstorm and give me a prompt or a logo prompt that best represent my business. Make it colorful, comma, vibrant and attractive. It should be modern 3D. Then you enter and wait. It has entered. Now look at what you get it. You want a colorful, vibrant, modern 3D fashion design clothing. Here the brainstorm that I give you the ready and to use prompt. Now this is the prompt for this concept idea for your logo. You can read through. I don't have time. I don't want this video to be lengthy. It's already 6 minutes. So this is the concept idea for the logo. Now this is the prompt itself. Is here. Now what you do is you copy this prompt, copy it, you highlight it and copy. After highlighting it, you copy it. Good. Now you can look at the question here. I'm going to be doing two things now. If you want, I can refine this into multiple variations so you can pick the one that visually captures your brand identity. Do you want me to make those variations? No, I don't need it. So what I'll do, I've copied the prompt. So I'll head to Meta AI. So I'll go to my Meta AI. If you have Meta AI, you can just log in with your Facebook. Once you go to meta.ai, it will open this place for you. My own is dark because I'm using dark screen. If you can check the time, I'm recording early morning, so I don't want it to affect my eyes. So I'll now put the prompt inside Meta AI. I'll paste it. Now I've pasted it. Are you getting what I'm doing? So I'll now select image. I've selected image, and I'll now put on go. And so it's generating, as you can see. It's regenerating again. Good. Now as you can see, look at this one. You have this image. You have this as logos. Remember, this is not a, this is just this logo that you put on top of your flyers, your business card, and so this is just a logo. You now pick the one that best suits you. Now this is how they design it. So if you have learned something, why don't you share this video, like, comment if you have a question or recommendation or anything, and subscribe to this channel and follow for new updates. Thank you till I come your way again. Don't forget, this is 10 creative concepts.